Find the label that marks the middle of the wrap and place it on your chest, aligned with the center of your body. Lead the wrap tails to your back, holding the top edge, cross them behind your back and bring the two tails over your shoulders. Adjust the wrap. Pull the bottom edge of the pocket up to your belly button. Pull the hanging tails through the pocket in front. Make sure the tails do not twist while doing this. Then, at the height of your belly button, cross them again in the front and take them behind your back. Tie a double knot. Make sure the wrap is not too tight and not too loose. Take your baby and support them securely on one of your shoulders. Then guide the legs through the wrap panels one by one. Lower the baby deep enough so that their ear is in line with your armpit. Spread the two panels from knee to knee. Make sure the fabric on the baby's back is smooth and wrinkle-free. Check that the baby's thighs are at the same height. Pull the pocket panel over the baby's legs. Then pull the top edge up to the baby's shoulders and up to your own armpits. Check that the baby's knees are lifted. The baby's feet should rest against your torso in one line. You can support the baby's head with one of the wrap panels. If you want to take the wrap off, pull the pocket panel down from the baby's back. Then take the baby's legs out of it. Support the baby's back. Move the two crossed wrap panels to the side of the baby's body. Then reach under the baby's arms and lift them onto your shoulder.